Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What to talk about the market? Day before yesterday, Nifty fell 250 points from intraday high to intraday low after 2 p.m. and no reason. Yesterday, Nifty shot up 200 points, no reason. Today, gap up 150 points, no reason. After gap up, Nifty fell more than 200 points, no reason. And after forming a bottom, again Nifty shot up more than 100 points from day's low, again no reason. Markets are just moving in a random fashion. Yesterday night or today morning, GIFT Nifty was indicating about 150 point gap up. That was really puzzling. That's because yesterday there was no significant move either in HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank or Infosys ADR. They were all like almost flat, indicating the Indian market prices. And then who decides this gap up? Why it happens? Nobody knows. But totally, it is a random market. And yesterday, what happened? Some stocks went up yesterday. TCS, Infosys, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank at the closing. But today, all these stocks have come down. But yesterday, State Bank of India, Axis Bank, Reliance, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finance, all these stocks came down. Today, all of them went up. So now it has become a standard. If banks go up, IT has to come down, or when IT goes up, banks have to come down. So markets were very highly volatile, totally confused. But one good thing is that for the last 1 month and 2 weeks, we can say, the last 6 weeks, markets are just consolidating. A December series closed around 21,750 around. And now from there, market went up, came down, went up, came down, and market is just hovering in the region 21,500 to 22,000 now. So as I told you, the markets, today tried to take out 22,000 but sold into. In fact, today is the third day markets met with a selling pressure when it crossed 22,000. There were three trading sessions. Nifty spot crossed 22,000, but on all those three trading sessions, Nifty closed below 22,000. So, as I told you, as per the box theory, 21,500 to 22,000 is the box, and markets are consolidating for a long time. So, probably as and when markets break out, so the rally can be quite significant. But we cannot say that also because the Nifty has already shot up 3,000 point in November and December. So anyway, markets are totally confused. FIIs are confused. They are selling one day, buying one day. Domestic institutions are also confused. So everybody is confused. But market has become a trader's market. So this is not the market, where they can take positions just intraday basis. Yesterday, the Bank Nifty was so bearish. People have sold call option heavily. And today, gap up. All those premiums doubled and then fell and went to zero. So, FII data is still not out since I'm going out. So, I'm just recording this little bit earlier. And global cues are okay. So, European markets are okay. The US futures are also okay. And here, the selling in Infosys and TCS today, in fact, today, out of the bottom 5 stocks, 3 stocks are from IT. So Infosys, TCS, and Tech Mahindra. Today, State Bank of India shot up more than 4%. One day, Reliance shot up more than 7%. Another day, TCS shot up 4%. And today, State Bank of India shot up 4%. And people have upgraded. On the day of the results, every media was saying, profit was down by 35% and SBI will be falling. I said, SBI results are really good. It's just one-time provisioning. and now they are upgrading. So State Bank of India has shot up more than 4%. So that has actually supported the Bank Nifty. But however, it's quite disappointing that HDFC Bank closed almost at the lowest point of the day. And HDFC Bank now is down more than 15% from the recent all-time high or recent high. So HDFC Bank has to recover. Otherwise, the Bank Nifty, the hope is very, very little. So let us see tomorrow what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.